This is durian. A lot of durian at behind. See it? That is durian. Durian, fresh durian. The durian on the tree. Durian, tree, durian. It is durian season, and I'm in a durian farm. It's got a lot of durian, delicious, and the tree is very big. A lot of the tree, durian tree, and some of the other fruit. I don't know what is it. Maybe it's guava or jambu or something. Have a look. I'm going to eat durian a lot. This is a mangosteen trees, and here is a baby mangosteen. The baby mangosteen look like yellow colors, and the mangosteen that is actually pink on a purple colors. So this one is a baby mangosteen. So this is a mangosteen trees. It's not very high, I think. This is a Luku Langsa trees, another fruit in Malaysia. This is Luku Langsa.
哇，很多蚂蚁，一定很甜哦。
啊，上面是很甜的。这 Luku Langsa。啊，
那个Luku Langsa。
Luku Langsa trees. That one I think is a papaya. 哪里？啊？不够熟了，应该。熟了，熟了，这很好。熟了的。哦。My dad is gonna hurt me to take one. 我抱着你吃吧。Mangosteen is not a baby mangosteen. It's a adult mangosteen. Yeah, purple colors and it's very sweet. 来，拿袋掉。
你吃，你吃。
我不要，我不要，你们吃，你们吃，你们吃。
你们不吃的没？
不，我比较少吃
凉的。
这个我不清楚。
这个凉的吗？
是呗？
很高吃当然有。哎，很多蚂蚁，要我吃后悔呀。
So the mangosteen is a queen. We call it the queen of the fruit in Malaysia. The durian is the king of the fruit. This is a heart-shaped durian.
So small.
No, it's a heart shape. The Musang King durian is one of the durian type, and how we know it is from here. You can saw the star. So if you saw the star under the bottom of the durian, so this one is the Musang King durian. It's a very delicious durian. This fruit we call it Butoshan. This one is a baby Butoshan. So
normally 5 liter glass different size already.
The red one is the Butoshan that we already can eat. It's very sweet and it's a bit like rambutan. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
This is the Butoshan, that the red one. It's a very sweet one. So I'm gonna eat it. I only got one hand, so I can't open it. So sweet. Mangosteen. It's very sweet. So delicious. So nice.
每一粒都是这样的、啊，猫的，真正的
啊，
真正都是这样。
它的柱子是小薄薄的大部分啊，对。
買3百啊！我只老闆賣18塊呀。啊，剛拿哦，第二度賣18塊了，然後就貓燒啊。真香哦，都那免加嘢哦。免加奶嘅。我食物啊。
Delicious. This is life in Malaysia. Fantastic Malaysia. Try it if you come here and give me a subscribe, give me some comments and watch the other videos. This is what we live, how we live in Malaysia. Thumbs up for me. Durian farm.